Fast food industries have enormously emerged with our changing lifestyles. There is a bliss point in fast food which attracts all of us, that is its tempting taste. In our hectic schedules, we have no time to go grocery shopping and then cook. We want everything instantly and fast food is one of them. The best part is that it saves your money too. But you will be surprised after knowing the fast food secrets. Here are some of the fast food secrets. 1. Unhealthy salad. You are on diet and want to eat outside. In such case, salad sounds very healthy. Isn't it? Yes, it sounds so, but do never order a salad if you are on diet. Because it can be as loaded with as many calories as a plate of pasta or burger. For example, McDonald's UK's crispy chicken and bacon salad contains 302 calories and 15 grams fat. That's more than a cheeseburger, 301 calories, 12 grams fat. So next time be wise before ordering a salad. 2. Burgers, instant and sometime non-vegetarian. Also, most of us are not aware that the burger which we love to eat is actually made instantly, which is really not good for our health. And also, sometimes it contains meat in it. 3. Bogus grilled meat. Well, your grilled meat is really not grilled, however it seems to be grilled but it is not. Yes, your flame grilled burger is generally cooked on a clam grill or hot plates. Your dear chefs too often add an artificial aroma of smoke to make it look like a delicious grilled meat. 4. Crispy potato fries. What do you think? Your crispy potato fries are only made of potato for real. No, they aren't. It is being reported that the fries which your vendors claim to be made of potato also contains an anti-foaming chemical to stop oil from drench and use other chemicals to give them a uniform color. 5. You never get what you see. Those persuading images of cheesy burger, chilly glasses of cola, crispy fries attracts all of us, but always remember they are meant only for advertising purpose. This is just a trick to trade, you will never get the same what you see. 6. Don't eat fast food on a long go. You should not eat fast food on a long go. There are many chemicals and preservatives used in your fast food which can harm your health if you keep consuming them for a long time. These are fast food secrets. There is no doubt about it that fast food makes our lives easier, but from today, let's always think twice about your health before craving for it.